Hi everybody, welcome back to Armcandy. We've got another beautiful piece to show you today. So this is a Louis Vuitton favourite in the size MM, and it's got that classic Louis Vuitton monogram canvas, coated canvas. And this feels so lovely. This coated canvas is really lovely and tactile and flexible. And then we've got, one small strap there, one small chain strap. And then we also have a longer tan coloured leather strap, which is removable. You can see the clip there, and you can see a remover on that side as well. So on this flap closure, we've got a little Louis Vuitton plaque, which is actually a magnetic fasten for the bag. And then inside we've got that lovely burgundy fabric lining, and we've got one flat pocket there. And just on this side, you can see in the corner, that little leather tab just here is where we've got the date code for this bag. So the condition of this one, we've called the exterior, excellent. You can see that it's just gorgeous. That coated canvas is in a lovely condition. I'll show you those corners, have no signs of wear or marks to them at all. So that is why I've called the exterior excellent. The interior we have called very good. You can see there's just a couple of little crease, little bubbles there. So that is why I've called the interior very good. But other than that, there is no signs of wear in there. It is in a very, very gorgeous condition. Then the hardware we have called fair. It's actually all got this lovely shiny gold tone to it still, and it does look really beautiful. But just on this plaque here, you can see there's quite a noticeable scratch on there, and a couple of little hairline scratches on there too. So that's why I've called the hardware fair, but overall it is in a really stunning condition. I'll show you what it comes with. So we've just got the little Louis Vuitton dust bag. If you would like the exact measurements, again, it is in the size MM, but if you would like the exact measurements, go to the link in the description below where you'll find a few more details on this bag. It's the link to shop, so it should hopefully take you directly to this Louis Vuitton on our website, armcandybagco.com. If it doesn't and it just takes you to our generic product page, I'm really sorry, that does mean it has sold. However, we do have a request list that you can get onto if it's one of your favourites. Didn't mean to make a pun there, but it was a little pun there. So if the favourite is one of your favourites, let us know, just get in contact with us and we'll pop you on our request list. And then as soon as we get another one in, we will let you know. We'll send you over an email with the link to shop, and then hopefully you can be one of the first to get in there. So that's the request list. As I said, exact measurements will be on the website, but I'll show you the size on me for reference. So we've got a few options with this favourite MM. So we've got that removable, long removable strap, leather strap there. So if you'd like to pop that on your shoulder, or if you prefer a crossbody, you've got that option too. Or you can take that strap off, so it just unclips on this side like that, and then it loops through. You can see that's looped through just there. So you just pull it through like that, and then it just pulls all the way through to come undone. And then that final little clip just slips through like that. And then you can take that strap off completely, and you are left with this lovely little chain shoulder strap, which makes a perfect little under the arm shoulder bag, which are my favourites. I love a little under the arm shoulder bag, so this would be my favourite option to have it probably with this little strap. Or you can see that this strap actually unclips on one side as well, so you can just unclip that like that, and then you can pop it inside the bag, and there you've got a lovely little clutch too, which is a perfect little size. It's nice and easy to hold as a clutch, and it's just very versatile, so it makes a perfect day to evening bag. So if you are interested in it, again, go to the link in the description below. Have a browse through all of our other beautiful Armcandy while you're on our website, and don't forget to sign up to our newsletter, and we'll send you through your welcome discount code. You can use that code on your first purchase with us, so don't miss out on that code. And also have a look at the How to Sell with Us page if you have any bags that you'd like to sell with Armcandy Bag Co. We'd love to see what you have for us, so have a read through that process. Like this video video while you're here, and also subscribe to our channel, and then you won't miss out on any gorgeous bags like this one that we have to show you. We've got new bags to show you almost every day, so make sure you hit that alert button, and then you don't miss out on anything that we have to show you, and we'll be back soon very soon with some more.